Hi guys, so today we decided to make something very basic. There is no paparazzi today, and guess what? We are going to the olden days style. This was so delicious, yeah. This is potato with some vegetables. All right, so here is a raw potato. I'm going to peel it, wash it properly, and put it on fire and start cooking. All right. Remember to follow my page, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and stay tuned for interesting, healthy recipes. I share only healthy recipes on this page. Okay, back to our cooking. Here, the potato is all cooked. I added salt when I was cooking it, and I have to sieve it out. Now it's time to this is sliced ugu, washed. I usually wash before I slice. Washed, put in a pot, add some onions. If we blend it better, the taste will come out very well. Add some fresh pepper, enough crayfish, and some salt. Stir it, cover it, and cook it on a low heat for about 2 minutes or less, depending on how fast. Okay, the goal is not to overcook the vegetables rather. So now it is ready. I have to transfer the potato that I already sieved out, the cooked potato, and that is when I'll now add the oil. At this point, my heat is very low. I would even say that I put off the heat because I don't want to overcook the vegetables. Remember, we don't have to overcook the vegetables. I just give it a stir, adjust salt to taste, and serve your food. You can serve it with fish, you can serve it with which other protein you want to serve it with, but this is just very basic olden days food. Yeah, but it's very nice, it's very tasty, and it is very delicious as well. Plus, you have your nutrients. You get the opportunity to eat lots of vegetables with this. Sweet potatoes are very good and very healthy. Alright, guys, so that is it. Stay tuned for more interesting videos, healthy recipes. That's all we'll share on this page. Thank you. Bye.